Welcome to Abstract Plus. In this video, I will show you how can you reset Visual Studio Code settings. To do that, from keyboard, press F1. But while you are in Visual Studio Code, type user settings, select Open User Settings JSON. To open this file, you can also click gear icon at the bottom left, click Settings, click this sheet icon, and you will get the same file. Okay, so from this settings.json file, delete file contents, keep empty brackets, delete everything in between, save, and Visual Studio Code is back to default. Also press Window plus R to bring up a run dialog. Type this in it, %APPDATA Code User settings.json. Remove these lines from this file as well. Keep the empty brackets. Although settings applied by extensions have been removed from settings.json file, but if you want to remove extensions installed in VSCode, you can do so. Again, Window plus R, type %USERPROFILE.VSCode extensions. And these are all the extensions installed in VSCode. You can delete these folders, but to be safe, from Visual Studio Code, click extensions icon from the left, and from installed extensions, you can right click each extension and you can disable and uninstall those extensions. Okay, so this is how you can reset Visual Studio Code to default settings. I will provide the code and related information in the video description. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.